Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Uh, in a previous class, we have good morning. In a previous class, we have done revision work of history. That is lesson number 1, which is coming in periodic test. Now, in this, just a recall of whatever questions we have done, and you please check in your notebooks whether you have written the correct option or not. Okay? Whether you have
Yes,
written the
ma'am.
correct option or not, you please check. No need to give the answer just now. Just now only you have to check your notebooks for the correct answers. Clear? For history. Okay, now listen. Keep your audios off. You have to just listen.
और चेंज कर दे
Aryan, Aryan, keep your audio off. Yes.
मैम हमारे सिविक्स का रिवीजन नहीं हुआ था।
हाँ बेटा, सिविक्स का नहीं हुआ था ना। अभी सिविक्स का नेक्स्ट ये एक बार ये रिकॉल करने के बाद, चेकिंग के बाद आपको सिविक्स का करवाती हूँ रिवीजन. ओके. Okay, cartographer. Now check your paper. Cartographer is a person who makes maps. Okay.
Maps.
In which century Babar used Hindustan to describe geography? That is 16th century. Clear? Why do historians today have to be careful about the terms in the past? Because the terms meant different in the past. Yes, everybody has completed this. Now, which of the following is not the meaning of foreigner in the past? Indigenous. Raghav Bansal, please pay attention in the class now. No need to.
गलती से हो गया मैम, गलती से हो गया.
Okay. In which period did the number and variety of textual record increase dramatically? It is 700 to 1750.
D.
Yes, good. Then which type of people collected manuscripts?
Healthy
Worldly
people.
people.
Wealthy people. And where were the manuscripts placed?
Both B and
Both A and B.
Yes, now your option D is given, that is both B and C. अब इसमें ऑप्शन दिया गया है आपको both B and C. तब आपको both B and C लिखना है. If this option is not there, might be if this option is not there, then what you are going to write down? Which option? Any other option?
Ma'am, C.
हाँ हाँ, particularly manuscripts कहाँ रखी जाती थी? आर्चिव्स में. तो सिर्फ अब आपका आंसर मान लो डी आंसर आपको कोई और दे दिया गया है, स्कूल दे दिया गया है. डी इज ऑप्शन इज स्कूल. सो व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? आर्चिव्स. आर्चिव्स विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. बी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट. अगर बी बोथ दिया गया था, बोथ में तो बी और सी होगा. बोथ ऑप्शन देना न दे करके कोई दूसरा ऑप्शन दिया है तो इट विल बी आर्चिव्स ओनली. Clear? The next, Ziauddin Barni wrote his chronicle first in
14th century.
Then, yes, centuries was the in which century Kshatriya applied the term Kshatriya?
In the 8th and 14th century.
8th and 14th century. Then the language spoken during 14th century in present Bengal region?
Gori.
Gauri. Holy Book of Muslim?
Quran.
No, beta, Gauri. Gauri is the language here. Then which is the Holy Book of Muslim? Quran. And who accepted the authority of early Muslim leaders? Sunnis. Prosperity in the subcontinent attracted trading company of which region?
European.
Yes. Dash provided a lot of information to the historians. Yes. Manuscripts. Then rules and regulations of Jati were enforced by Jati Panchayat. Knowledge of Sanskrit on Brahmin a lot of respect. Then two divisions. If two divisions will come, then Shia and Sunni. And if two schools will come, then two schools of Muslims, schools of law, Hanafi and Shafi. It will come later on. First year, two divisions of Muslims, Shia and Sunni. Balban controlled. Don't get confused about this. कई पूरा नाम भी दे सकते हैं, पूरा नाम नहीं भी दिया, सिर्फ बलबन दिया, then also you have to remember. And full name is Ghiyasuddin Balban. Full name is Ghiyasuddin Balban. Clear? Now, science of cartography differed from 12th to 13th century. Different थी. Cartography,
I'm
True.
cartography is making of maps, है ना? So,
False.
एल एडमिसी ने जो मैप बनाया था और फिर बाद में जो जिसने मैप बनाया था 13th century में, that वो both were different. So this is science of cartography is different. Yes, it is true. We have many original manuscripts. It is false.
Ma'am, false.
Yes, 8th to 14th century, the term Kshatriya was used for group of Brahmins. Kshatriya was for Brahmins.
False.
So it was used for whom? Brahmins or whom? किसके लिए यूज किया गया था क्षत्रिय?
Ma'am, warriors के लिए.
Warriors के लिए.
Warriors and soldiers.
Yes. Status of jati remained same from region to region.
False.
False. Now here Muslim had two schools law. Law is Hanafi and Shafi. Yes.
Ma'am, true.
True, ma'am. True.
When school of law will be asked, then Hanafi and Shafi. Yeah. And who had accepted the authority of Muslim leaders? Sunnis. There was Rajput right from Rajputra.
Ma'am, Rajputra.
The idea of bhakti means the loving personal deity that without the aid of priest and elaborate ritual.
Without the aid of elaborate ritual.
Priest or elaborate ritual. Now, what were the new crops and beverages that arrived in the Indian subcontinent? All. See, everything was there. Clear? Next is who used to copy the scripts? Scribes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
scribe.
Scribes. Yes. कौन सा?
Ma'am, question
Question number 9th.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 9th is this. In which centuries was the term Kshatriya applied more generally, between 8th to 14th century? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the next year test. Now write down civics revision test in your notebooks. Hello. Have you written
Yes,
revision
ma'am.
test?
Reading. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
मैम इसको नोटबुक में रिटर्न करना है.
Yes, beta. As you have done in history and geography, the same way you will write down this also in your SST notebook. Write down revision work neatly. Civics lesson number 1 and today's date. And you have to write down only the answers. If D option is correct, you have to write down D. All of these means full option. You have to write it down. Clear? Okay, ready with the first question? What does democracy means? What?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, because
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, firstly, I have completed first two history and geography test, and ma'am, then I have done civics chapter number 2. So, ma'am, it will be correct also.
No problem. The things should be there in your notebooks, है ना? The work should be there in your notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम ये कौन सा वाला रिवीजन टेस्ट है मैम 3?
हाँ, revision test 3 will be there ना. First was history, first was geography, then history, and now civics. Okay. Now before we continue, let me remind you today's are what? Revision test on Google Form link. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, everybody of the full course, everybody has to attend that revision test. The link will be shared to you and it will be enabled at 1 p.m. only. Link abhi shared kar dungi main after the class, but it will be enabled at 1 o'clock. Everybody should attend the revision test on Google Form link. 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
full course test will be there. Okay, now what does
मैम आप लिंक पहले शेयर कर दोगे उसके बाद
हाँ,
मैम वो वन पीएम पे
हाँ,
चलेगा.
yes. Now what does democracy means? First, what does democracy means? Yes, Surbi.
Ma'am,
Surbi,
Equal right. Ma'am, A.
A.
Option A.
Very good.
Equal right.
Equal right to vote. What does democracy means? Equal right to vote. Only you have to raise the hands up. Next, according to universal adult franchise, every adult has. Yes, Shraddha.
One vote.
Yes, according to universal adult franchise, every adult should have one vote. So A's option here also is correct. Next, one of what happened?
ma'am, here no vote will be correct now.
No vote.
Two.
Sorry. One vote. B option. B option. Sorry. B option will be correct. One vote. Okay. Here in the first A option was there. Equal right to vote, and in B, sorry, question number 2, B option will be correct. That is one vote. Universal adult franchise. Every adult has one vote. Okay. One. Now question number 3. One of the more common forms of inequality in India is. Most common forms of inequality in India. Yes, Shraddha.
The caste system.
Okay, yes. Anything else? Lakshita, any other answer?
Ma'am,
Himanshi?
the caste system.
Himanshi?
Ma'am, be down system.
Ma'am, B caste system. Okay. Those who are written caste system, it is correct answer. Those who are written caste system, it is the correct answer. Okay. Now, whose autobiography is Jutan? Wait. And I will give the chance to anybody. Yes, Nitiksha.
मैम ए ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि.
Yes. A. Om Prakash Valmiki. Yes, Vanshika.
Ma'am, A. Om Prakash Valmiki.
Same. Okay. So those who are written Om Prakash Valmiki, it is the correct option for question number 4. That is whose autobiography is Jutan. Clear? Now question number 5th. Yes, now Happel will be answering this answer. Happel, what does the headmaster ask Om Prakash Valmiki to do? Yes.
Ma'am, please
Ma'am, option B. To sweep the
क्वेश्चन दिखा सकते हैं?
Wait a second, beta. Wait a second. Let me continue. Then I will show after fifth question. Okay. Yes, Happel. What did the headmaster ask Om Prakash Valmiki to do?
Ma'am, option B. To sweep the school playground.
Very good. To sweep the school playground. Lakshita, the same answer or anything else? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. This.
Okay. Then this is the correct option. To sweep the school playground. Yes. Who wants to see the second question? According to universal adult franchise, every adult has one vote. Universal adult franchise means right to vote. Right to vote में किसको कितना अधिकार है वोट देने का? एक जने को एक ही.
मैम वन वोट.
Yes. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Any common forms of inequality? Caste system. Common forms of inequality in India. In your book, it is written caste system. Jati Pratha. Then autobiography of Jutan is written by Om Prakash Valmiki. Clear? Next, headmaster asked Om Prakash Valmiki to sweep the school playground. Okay, now question number 6. When persons are treated unequally, what is violated? Yes, Himanshi. When persons are treated unequally, what is violated?
Ma'am, A. Dignity.
Yes, dignity. Shraddha?
Yes, ma'am. Dignity.
Anybody else? Other option? If you are in dignity, then it is the correct option.
Yes, ma'am.
persons treated unequally than their dignity. Dignity means respect. Respect is violated. Now, the Indian Constitution recognizes recognizes again Himanshi. Anybody else? Surbhi. Okay, now just now I'll give the chance to Surbhi now. The
All
Indian
people are
Constitution. Yes.
all people are equal.
Yes. Which option that means?
Ma'am, option A.
Option A. Okay. This is the correct option. Vanshika. Yes. What you are saying?
Ma'am, all people are equally.
Okay. Ujjwal. Same option.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is who drafted the Indian Constitution? Question number 8. Who drafted the Indian Constitution? Okay, Lakshita.
Ma'am, D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Next, anybody else who's Raghav? Yes, Raghav.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer.
D.
Can I?
Ma'am D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Okay. Yes, Nitiksha.
Ma'am, D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Okay, good. So this, if you have written this option, then it is the correct option, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay. Are you all writing? Next question now. Who represents our problems in the Parliament House? Who represents our problems in the Parliament House? Yes, Himanshi.
Ma'am, MLAs.
MPs, members of the Parliament. जो Parliament में members हैं, वही represent करेंगे. Clear? Our problems. D and next civil rights movement of USA was about. Civil rights movement of USA was about, yes, Kushi. Afro-Americans, both of these, Indo-Americans, C option by mistake it is gone up, and none of these.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, B option.
Wait a second, let me. Wait a second. Okay, no problem. Now this is the B option is Indo-American, A option is Afro-Americans, and none of these. Which will be the correct one?
Ma'am, B, both of these.
Both
Ma'am,
of
A
these.
and B.
Both of these will be the correct option. Okay, now? Fine.
Yes.
Now, what is the answer will be civil rights movement was about Afro-American. Hence, A option will be correct. 10th, which option will be correct? Afro-Americans. Afro-Americans means African Americans.
Yes,
African
ma'am.
people who are residing in America, USA. Indo-American means India. Yes.
मैम मैंने पहले ना एफ्रो अमेरिकन लिखा था.
Afro-Americans will be correct answer. बेटा मैं वो थोड़ा सा करेक्शन करने के चक्कर में मेरे को ध्यान नहीं रहा. A will be the correct answer.
Ma'am, answer is A.
हाँ, answer is A only. Afro-Americans. Afro-Americans means African Americans. अफ्रीका के जो लोग अमेरिका में रहते थे, यूएसए में रहते थे, उन्होंने ये सिविल राइट्स मूवमेंट स्टार्ट किया था ना.
Ma'am.
Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So make a correction over there. Afro-Americans will be the correct answer here. Now, what is the central feature of democracy? Central feature of democracy
Ma'am, C.
C.
Equality.
Yes, equality. Good. C. Equality is the correct option for central feature of democracy. Next, Dash was first state to introduce midday meal scheme. Yes, April.
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Raghav.
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu.
Shraddha.
Yes, ma'am. Tamil
Everybody.
Nadu.
Tamil
Tamil
Nadu.
Nadu.
Okay.
Tamil Nadu.
Okay. A. Tamil Nadu is the correct option. Then we are represented in the parliament through our opposition party, government officers, religious priests, or elected representatives. Yes, Surbi. Himanshi.
Ma'am, D. Elected representative.
Yes, अगर ये वाले ऑप्शंस हो तो आपको क्या लिखना है? इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स, द
Ma'am D.
मिनिस्टर्स, हाँ, मिनिस्टर्स विच वी elect. Clear? D will be the correct option for this. Our constitution recognizes everyone as equal before. Yes, Raghav, equal before.
Ma'am, C. Law.
Ma'am,
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 C.
ma'am.
Law.
Ma'am, कहना है.
Yes,
Ma'am, can I ulta? Ma'am,
Yes,
C.
yes.
Law.
Ma'am, law.
Ma'am, C. Law.
law,
D law.
law, कानून, law. Clear? The constitution recognizes everyone as equal before law. Now 15th, when people are treated unequally, their dash is violated. When people are treated, you have repeated the question. When people are treated unequally, their dash is violated. What? Yes.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ये है नितिक्षा चौहान.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, Nitiksha.
Ma'am, dignity.
Yes, dignity. Dignity will be the correct answer. Next is the dash did not get flat in the desired area. Yes, Shweta.
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am,
Ansari.
कहना है.
Yes,
Ansari.
Ansari. Okay. Ansari. Then 17 dash is an autobiography of Om Prakash Valmiki.
Not in our
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
कहना है.
Jutan.
Yes, yes, yes.
Jutan. Ma'am B.
Yes.
B.
Jutan.
Jutan.
Yes, Jutan. Jutan. Then Kanta borrowed money to pay her electricity bill. True or false? Yes, Shraddha.
Ma'am, false.
Ma'am
Yes.
False.
Everybody is in the favor of false. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
18th will be false. Then 19th, Dash was an African American. Who was an African American? Yes, Apple.
Ma'am C.
Ma'am, Rose.
Ma'am,
Yes, who will answer?
Ma'am
Ma'am,
C.
may I?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, can I, ma'am, D? Ma'am, Rosa Parks. Ma'am, D. Rosa Parks.
If you have written D option, it is the correct. Rosa Parks. Rosa Parks was an African American. Civil rights movements were started for African Americans only. And Rosa Parks was African American. Clear? This will be the correct option for 19. Yes.
मैम मेरे को 17 का आंसर बता.
17th is Jutan, beta. Jutan is the autobiography of Om Prakash Valmiki. The question is asked in the different way. पहले इसको किसी और के ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि का नाम पूछा था, अब इसको जूटन पूछ लिया है ना? So any way the questions can be asked in the exams also. Now 20th, dash scheme is one of the steps taken by the government to reduce inequality. Which scheme?
ma'am, कहना है. Surbila.
Yes.
Ma'am, A midday meal.
Yes, Surbi.
Ma'am, A midday meal.
Midday meal. Midday meal was started in which state?
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu in 2001.
Yes. So midday meal scheme is one of the steps taken by the government. Next is
Excuse me,
what
ma'am.
is yes.
Ma'am, timing is running out.
That is why I'm going fast. What is similarity among Kanta, Ansaris and Milani? What is similarity?
Ma'am, they all treated
They all
unequal.
were
Ma'am,
treated
B.
unequally.
Yes, they all were treated unequally. That is which option? C option.
Ma'am, B.
They all were treated unequally. Unequally. Be careful. Equally and unequally. Spellings ध्यान से. During exam also be careful. Read the questions carefully. Om Prakash Valmiki is a famous Tamil French Dalit or Muslim writer.
Ma'am,
Dalit writer.
Ma'am, Dalit.
Dalit writer. Yes. So last question of the day. Where has the midday meal scheme being started?
Ma'am, in government.
Ma'am, government.
Ma'am, in government schools. Ma'am, D in government.
In government schools. Clear? So read the options also carefully and the question also carefully. कहाँ पर नोट लिखा हुआ है, कहाँ पर क्या पूछा है, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग read the questions carefully because in you know that हाँ ये तो
एक बार
बहुत
वापस
question है.
टैली करवा दो ना.
Okay,
एक बार
fine,
वापस.
fine. 2 minutes are there. First is what does democracy mean? Equal rights to vote, universal adult franchise, one vote.
One vote.
Then
Caste system.
yes, most common forms of inequality caste system. Newton is written by Om Prakash Valmiki. Then headmaster asked to sweep the school playground.
Yes.
Then when persons are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. Clear?
मैम
Indian
वो fifth का ऑप्शन नंबर कौन सा था?
किसका? किसका?
फिफ्थ का to sweep the school playground.
MD.
मैम
Yes.
बी.
फिफ्थ का बी था ना? To sweep.
यस मैम बी था.
Okay. Now the Indian Constitution recognizes all people are equal.
All people are equal.
Then who drafted Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Then
Ambedkar.
who represent the
MP.
problems in Parliament? MPs. Then the civil rights movement of USA was about Afro-Americans. Central feature of Afro की जगह African भी दिया सकता है, ठीक है ना? Afro और African the same. What is the central feature of democracy? Equality.
Equality.
First state to introduce midday meal, Tamil Nadu. Who were the representatives in the parliament? Yes,
Ma'am,
elected
elected
it. Our constitution recognizes everyone equal before law. When people are
MC.
treated unequally, their dignity is violated.
Dignity.
Ansaris did not get the flag.
Ansaris.
Yes, Jutan is the autobiography. Yes. Kanta borrowed money for electricity bill. No. Rosa Parks was an African American. Midday meal was started. Yes. Kanta Ansaris and Milani ये क्या है? All are treated. Yes. 21 का C. They are were treated unequally. Then Om Prakash Valmiki is a famous Dalit writer. Then midday meal schemes were started in the schools.
Government school.
Hope it is clear now.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Try to attend the test carefully, clear, and we will not be able to discuss the answers. But if any problem related to your revision test of Google Form, you can inform me directly on the WhatsApp. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.